Today, we are solving WASSCE July 2006 question 5. This is a probability question involving two independent events. The probabilities that two boys pass an examination are 2 over 3 and 5 over 8. We are asked to find the probability that the two boys pass the examination and the probability that only one of the boys passes the examination. F equals first boy passes. S equals second boy passes. Probability of F equals 2 over 3. Probability of S equals 5 over 8. The events are independent. Probability of F intersection S equals probability of F times probability of S. Part I. Both boys pass. For part 1, we want the probability that both boys pass the examination. This means the first boy passes and the second boy also passes. Probability of F intersection S equals probability of F times probability of S. Probability of F intersection S equals 2 over 3 5 over 8. Two over 3 5 over 8 equals 10 over 24. Ten over 24 equals 5 over 12. So the probability that the two boys pass the examination is 5 over 12. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step exam solutions. Now consider this step. Don't forget to subscribe for more exam solutions. Part 2. Only one boy passes. Now we find the probability that only one of the boys passes. This means one boy passes while the other boy fails. Probability of F complement equals 1 metastatirsinus probability of F. Probability of S complement equals 1 metastatirsinus probability of S. Probability of F complement equals 1 metastatirsinus 2 over 3. Probability of F complement equals 1 over 3. Probability of S complement equals 1 metastatirsinus 5 over 8. Probability of S complement equals 3 over 8. Only one passes. So this simplifies to equals F passes and S fails. Or F fails and S passes. Since these two cases cannot happen at the same time, we add their probabilities. For the first case, the first boy passes and the second boy fails. For the second case, the first boy fails and the second boy passes. 2 over 3 over 8 equals 6 over 24. 1 over 5 over 8 equals 5 over 24. Probability of only one passes equals 6 over 24 plus 5 over 24. So this simplifies to equals 11 over 24. So the probability that only one of the boys passes the examination is 11 over 24. Probability of both pass equals 5 over 12. Probability of only one passes equals 11 over 24. To summarize, the probability that both boys pass is 5 over 12, and the probability that only one boy passes is 11 over 24. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and clear mathematics solutions.